But you know that these days people find fireworks in their trash? You know that, remember? Well, I found some in the trash. And they'll be a game of toy. So here's they are. First, we got these. These are some classic ones. These are called ground blooming flowers. We got 2 of them. We got more than 2 actually. But now next, we got lots and lots of these bottle rockets. Lots of these. As you can see, there's a lot. There are a lot. There. Yeah. You can see there's a lot of them. And then I think we found this in the trash. I don't know if we did. We borrowed it from someone. But yeah, that's something we found. And some more Black Cat bottle rockets. There's a lot of bottle rockets. Oh. And then these kind of bottle rockets, they don't have the packaging on him, but I hope they would be cool. So yeah. Oops. They're trying to come out the crate. And here's the wrappers that keep on trying to fall off. Yeah, I don't know what that says. But they just fall off. There are a lot of them. Hang on, I'll be right back, guys. The cat's trying to mess with my fireworks. Okay, I'm back now. Let's show you some more. I'm trying to go away from the bottle rockets, but still, there's so much. I don't know. We couldn't play all these fireworks because there's so much of them. See, this is what they're supposed to look like in the wrappers, but they keep on trying to fall off. So I'll take this one's wrapper off too, since these keep on falling off. And here's a whole pack of them, which we didn't open yet, which hasn't been opened, which is good. That's why I'm not going to open it. There's a lot of these ones. So many. There they are. There they are with the packaging on them finally. And there's this one. I didn't see this one yet. Some B1. I think that's actually the only one. Weird. There's a lot of these bottle rockets. And there's these. I didn't open either. Not yet. Then we got this. It doesn't have the stick, but it looks a little bit interesting. Hang on. Oh, there's one of those blooming flowers. Jeez. Then next is like a black cat. And I think we're gonna test these out when we bring them back to there. I'm gonna test some of these out in a video. We've got this, the black cat ground bloom. This is a different version, it's the only one in the pack. So we're gonna test them out. Okay, so we also have this bag full of these blooming things too. Here's another one, which is by a different company. Okay, what else is there? Okay, I'm trying to find some more that look, oh, this must be something. What's this? Thunder booms. I don't know what these are. Cool. Hang on. There's a lot. And I'm trying to find some more. I think that's it. It's all that we could find in the trash. As you can see, we found lots of interesting ones, but now it's time to say goodbye again. But still, it was a fun time looking at all of these fireworks. It really was a fun time to see them and actually find these kind. Yeah, I'm just putting them back. And sorry it's so dark, but sometimes cameras can't record very well, and mine can't. You know, I just wanted to look at it again.
Come inside. I didn't even reheat last night's ghost food. Paranormal snack. Then get out of the club. And this is a celebration.
No, bye everybody. Sorry.